Welcome back, boys and girls. We're going to be talking again today about the human body. Our objective says, I can compare and contrast two body systems and two body parts.
Hi, boys and girls. As Miss Bridger has already said, we're going to be learning about the digestive system, okay? So this is a picture of the upper digestive system. What's the name of that fleshy muscle in your mouth that's covered in taste buds? If you said your tongue, you're exactly right. Not only does your tongue help you taste your food, it also pushes the food around your mouth, rolling it into a mashed up, wet lump of food. Your tongue pushes the lump of food to the back of your mouth and helps you swallow. Once food is swallowed, it passes into a food canal called the esophagus. This stretchy tube is only about 10 inches long, leading from the back of your throat through your neck and chest to your stomach. Food passes through the esophagus quickly. Muscles squeeze together and push the food into your stomach in about 10 seconds or less. It's a lot like squeezing toothpaste from its tube. So just imagine you taking your toothpaste and you putting some toothpaste on your food. So that's how fast it takes for the muscles to squeeze together in your stomach to push the food through. Let's go to the next picture, the middle digestive system. Put your hand on the left side of your upper abdomen, just below your chest and above your waist. That's where your stomach lives, behind your lower ribs. This human mixing machine is shaped a bit like the letter J. Your stomach acts like a balloon, expanding it to hold the food it receives. The stomach gastric juices help break down the food into a paste-like substance. These digestive juices also kill germs that may be swallowed. Round and round, food churns for 3 to 4 hours as muscles squeeze inside the stomach walls. So once again, the muscles are squeezing the food that you have inside your stomach. Once it is the substance of a thick soup, the food continues its journey into the intestines. So let's go to the picture of the small intestine, which is the lower intestine. The lower digestive system. There are two types of intestines, the small intestine and the large intestine. These intestines are tubes located in the lower abdomen through which food and food waste travel. Even though there are two different kinds of intestines, the small and the large intestines, they're actually part of the same long single tube. The muscular gate, or the sphincter, at the bottom of your stomach opens to allow food to flow from the stomach into the small intestine. The small intestine is about 21 feet long, or about as long as 5 7-year-olds lying from head to toe. So just think about this. You and 4 other friends are lying on the floor from head to toe. That's how long the small intestine is. Even though it's longer than the large intestines, it's also called the small intestines because it's much thinner than the large intestine. This narrow tube, the small intestine, is coiled up like a snake below your belly button. Muscles squeeze together and push the mashed up soupy liquid along the curly small intestine. The food is mixed once more with digestive juices from the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder, which are other organs that are part of your digestive system. These juices, called enzymes, break the food down and make it more and more watery along the way.
All right, boys and girls, so what you're going to be doing today for your homework is, what do you see on the screen? It should look familiar. We've done this a few times. This is a Venn diagram. So I see on the left there, and this is just telling you how to do this. On this side, it says whales. They have hair, they give live birth, and they breathe air. On the fish side, on the right, it says they lay eggs, they have scales, and they breathe water. Both of those things are different from one another, but this is what they have in common, or what is the same. They live in water, they both have fins, and they can swim. So that's just a refresher on Venn diagrams in case you've forgotten. So what you're going to do for your homework is you are picking two body parts or body systems, either one, and you are going to be comparing and contrasting. I don't have a circle only because it was kind of hard on my computer, but so if you want to do a square or a circle, the shape doesn't matter as long as you are comparing and contrasting. So over here, let's say that you are comparing your fingers and your toes. Right here, you will put fingers. Over here, you will put toes. And right here, you'll put the things they have in common. Okay, you can use any body parts or any systems. Anything that Ms. Smith read today, you can go back and look at and compare and contrast those, or you can just do your body parts. We would love if you would write it down, but if you can't, that's okay. You can type it in the comment section, or you can tell a friend, and then when we talk to your parents about it next week, you can let us know then. All right. Well, we will look forward to seeing you guys next class. Bye, everybody.
Bye.